Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Amazon how to add to wishlist. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Amazon app, and once you're inside here, all you gotta do is just scroll down and then select a product that you want to add to wishlist, right? Let me just add this shoe, and once you tap on it, you'll be sent to this product details page. Simply scroll down here under add to cart. You'll see an option that says add to list. Now all you gotta do is tap on that, and once you tap on that, either if you have already created a list, then simply tap on that, and if you haven't created a list, simply tap on create a list and then type in the list name that you want, and then simply tap on that list. The item will be added to your Amazon wish list, and in order to check it, tap on the profile icon, and here on the top you'll have 4 options: your orders, buy again, your account, and your list. Simply tap on your list because it's your wish list, and here you can see demo shopping list, and now you can see the items that I have added in the list, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.